Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone on Meta Quest 2. First, ensure your personal computer is powerful enough to run both Warzone and virtual reality streaming applications smoothly. Next, download and install the official Oculus PC application onto your computer. This essential software facilitates the connection between your headset and your gaming rig. Finally, make sure your Meta Quest 2 headset is fully charged and running the most current software version for optimal performance. Now let's connect your headset to your computer. You have two primary options, Oculus Link or AirLink. For Oculus Link, use a high-quality USB 3 cable to physically connect your Quest 2 to your PC. If you prefer a wireless setup, enable AirLink within your headset's experimental features and the Oculus PC app. Another excellent wireless option is Virtual Desktop, which offers enhanced performance and features for about $20. With your Quest 2 successfully connected, you can now access your personal computer's desktop directly within your virtual reality headset. Navigate to your game library and launch Warzone as you normally would on your computer. Remember, you are essentially streaming your flat-screen game into a virtual environment. Adjust Warzone's in-game graphics settings to prioritize a stable frame rate and clear visuals, aiming for at least 60 frames per second for a comfortable experience. To truly optimize your Warzone virtual reality experience, especially if using a wireless connection like AirLink or Virtual Desktop, ensure you have a robust Wi-Fi 6 network. This provides the necessary bandwidth for smooth, low-latency streaming. Additionally, close any non-essential applications running on your personal computer to dedicate maximum resources to Warzone. Finally, experiment with the various settings within your chosen virtual desktop application to fine-tune visual quality and performance to your personal preference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.